unesiphathelwane kanye kulo nyaka generally nje because akuva ugcwele efonini ngosi ubona ipost oefa bakwenza bayareacta kwenzeka ntoni khasithathe kuzithi
yeah like there's something like I've been putting together this year. Like started last year September working on an album.
Nakanjani?
This album its name is Fuel to Rise.
Yo, akuxelela.
Like talking about the struggles, about
yonke lewe like
betrayals, everything like my journey.
Yebo.
Where I'm coming from. Yeah.
Nakanjani?
And it will be dropping on 11 September.
Yo. Hayi sibeke bese sivile mosibani ba kukhona bathi i-present day yabo bayazalwa ngalasuku siyabona like no Yolanda Phane they are commenting on your post or are reacting as well. So how are you feeling like kwezwe ezenzekayo like zincinci manje uzibona? How are you feeling like that? Like really literal, how are you feeling, bro?
So okay, I'm feeling
activate the prayer. Yeah.
Like I'm feeling well. I won't lie. Like seeing another people like from other provinces, especially like with big names, like Bonnie, they tapped in.
Yeah.
Like on what I'm coming with.
Yeah, accept
like they showing love and support. So I appreciate that.
Okay, cool.
Yes.
Thanks, Mr.
It means a lot.
Nakanjani, thanks the prayer.
Yes.
But think activate the prayer ke guys nimvile. Yishinika lami. Ibekile khona uzaphetha ndicaciswe uyithethile. Ebenifuna uyiva nivile guys. Otherwise outside local emadakeni. Since you know this is Mr. Quick 21 inyikima the temple ongena imadlakadlaka eParalysis Dark kuzodala ngcozelo lomhlaba. What you saying?